Today we are drawing this yummy cake! Grab your paper and marker and let's go! We will start by drawing the icing for the first level of the cake. Now draw the first level of the cake. Time to draw the top level of the cake and start by drawing the icing. Now draw 2 candles on top of the cake. Next, we will draw some cute hearts on our cake.
1, 2,
3,
4, 5,
'Coloring time! First, color the flame orange. Now color the candles green. Next, we will color the icing pink. Yum! It's strawberry flavor! Time to color the base of the cake light brown. At last, we will color the hearts.
pink, red,
Green,
yellow, blue, and it's done. Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video. And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.